My video guide will provide you with detailed recommendations to help you get rid of the browser notifications coming from the site Clevercaptcha.top. Clevercaptcha.top. In fact, this is a fake human verification alert that tells you to click on the Allow button to confirm that you are not a robot. The reality is that whenever people mistakenly agree with this proposal and click on that Allow button, the browser gets almost immediately hijacked and infected. People may be first forwarded to some other questionable resource, and on top of that, they may start facing the great number of intrusive advertisements that will be displayed randomly in the right bottom part of the computer screen. So, if you have mistakenly clicked on the Allow button, you need to fix your browser immediately, and this is how you can do it manually. Carefully watch my instructions. First of all, access the menu of the browser. The menu looks as this circle with 3 vertical dots. Go to Settings. Choose Privacy and Security in the left part of the window. Then go to Privacy and Security area, choose Site Settings, and in Permissions select Notifications. Pay careful attention to the list of the sites that are allowed to send notifications. Find this Clevercaptcha.top and remove it from the list. Once this has been successfully accomplished, the problem should no longer reoccur, but I also recommend you to research your system with Combo Cleaner antivirus. The best place to get it is on the official resource combocleaner.com. So download the software, install the application, and start checking the system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, you need to select your preferred scan type. However, the trial version only gives you the quick scan option, even though the premium one has got full scan and custom scan too. Click on the Start Scan button to begin the detailed investigation of your computer. The quick scan will be in progress, and it may take a while until the quick scan is completed. While the quick scan is taking place, you may experiment with certain settings of Combo Cleaner antivirus. It has got the powerful anti-ransomware feature. You may select a special folder where you may have all your files stored in a safe place and protected against all possible ransomware attacks. So you may add this folder and keep your files protected in it. However, this feature again is the part of the premium version only. After the scanning is completed, the program will give you the detailed summary of all threads on your computer and their exact location. Some of these threads may be related to your available browsers like Google Chrome or Firefox. Combo Cleaner will help you to fix your browsers. In fact, all the browsers that have troubles can be easily fixed by Combo Cleaner antivirus. And what's more important, Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and delete more serious threats like ransomware, and as I have said, it will help you to protect your data from being damaged and infected in the future. So enjoy Combo Cleaner, consider upgrading to the premium version of the software to make sure that all your data is in the safe place.